So today we're going to clean these silver spoons, three sterling silver tablespoons there, and 2 electric plated soup spoons. But we're going to use baking powder today, but quite often in the UK I use bicarbonate of soda because it's quite inexpensive from some of the well-known supermarkets. So we've put that into one of these aluminium foil disposable trays, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda today, and then cover the spoons with boiling hot water and leave it for between 10 and 30 minutes. See how quickly the tarnish disappears. Don't try and move the foil container when it's full of boiling water, because they're not very stable and you could quite easily scald yourself. So just leave it be and let it do its thing. Don't forget to put your timer on, and then once it's been in for its 10 to 30 minutes and the tarnish has gone, just wash them under in a bowl of soapy warm water. And if they're still not completely clean, you can always give it another go. It's a relatively inexpensive and environmentally friendly way of cleaning silver, and also you don't get anywhere near as mucky as you do using the other brands that are available on the supermarket shelves. Looks as if Christmas has come early to these spoons, because they've had their 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now you can hear in the background the kettle's boiled. I'm now just going to fill that up so that we cover the entire surface area of the spoons with the boiling hot water and baking soda solution. You may find that this gives off a bad egg gas smell, so some people may well prefer to do this outdoors or in a utility room if you've got something like that. It should all fizz up quite nicely, and we'll put the timer on. I'm going to put it on for 30 minutes, but just keep an eye after it about 10 and see whether it's done its job. If it has, you can probably consider cleaning them, but just be careful. Take them out with tongs or something like that, so as you don't move the container and potentially spill boiling hot water over you, which isn't going to do you any good. It'll cause you some serious damage. This is what they look like after 30 minutes. I'm going to give them a quick wash in soapy water and see what happens. It looks like we might have to have another go. We'll see. Just given the lower one of these two a wash with soapy water and a bit of a buff up with a soft dry cloth. And it looks pretty shiny, but I still think it could probably come up a wee bit better than that, so we maybe just give it another go. So I'll empty that out and pop it in again with another 2 tablespoons. This time I'll use bicarbonate of soda, and once again pop it in for 30 minutes and see whether it takes off the rest of the tarnish. One at the top looks as if it's suffered a trauma, probably because it's a silver spoon, which has probably got mixed in with the stainless steel in the dishwasher. And really it's not a good idea to mix stainless steel and silver in a dishwasher.